Hello kids.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello everyone. These two are my class 8 students. Okay, kids, now I have a very interesting question for you from biology, and the question is, what would happen if all the organisms on the earth stop the process of reproduction? This question you got even in essay 1, right, as a 2-mark question? Yes. Okay, tell me, first of all, tell me, what do you mean by reproduction?
Reproduction is the process to produce offspring and continue their species.
Okay, very good. What are the two types of reproduction?
Oviparous and weave.
Okay, they are the two ways. Okay, animals reproduce either by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Okay, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction are the two types of reproduction. So we know all this, right? So by this we understand that reproduction is a fundamental biological process that ensures the continuation of a species, right, by producing new individuals to replace the one which die either because of the old age or because of a disease or because of some accident or predation, etc. Okay, so what will happen if all the organisms on the earth stop reproducing?
Life not in planet.
There will be no life on the planet. The earth will become a lifeless planet, a parabiosphere. Yes or no? Okay, so see, as I said, that reproduction is a fundamental biological process, and if all the organisms stop reproducing, then every species on the earth, every species, every living creature on the earth, including humans, would gradually die out. See, we all human beings, animals, birds, even trees, everyone have a particular lifespan. Yes, we live for a particular period of time, then after that we die, either because of accident, or because of old age, or because of some disease or war or whatever it is. Yes or no? We live certain lifespan and then we die out. Okay, and reproduction is the process that is ensuring to replace the one which are dying. Okay, if reproduction stops, the one who will finish their age will die. Then there is no species to replace them. Then what will happen? The population will decline. That species will decline. Okay, gradually they will decline within a few months and few years. The species will decline. Okay, that will be a short term consequence. Okay, then next what will happen? There will be imbalance in the ecosystem. The ecosystem will collapse. The food chain will get disturbed. You know that the food chain starts with the primary producers, plants. Yes or no? You know very well that we plants, animals, and we human beings are all interdependent on each other. Yes or no? See, the earth, what we know our earth as, it is a very beautiful place. Yes, with lot of biodiversity and complex interdependencies. Yes or no? Okay, so all this will get disturbed. Okay, there are no primary producers. Yes or no? Because pollination, there are no insects for pollination. Okay, primary producers are getting disturbed. If there are no primary producers, herbivores, they will not get food, they will die. If there are no herbivores, carnivores, what they eat? Yes or no? So the complete ecosystem will get collapse. Okay, and human societal breakdown will also be there. Okay, the young ones, there is no younger generation